We are the people of the Polynesian Islands. We hold the proud blood that runs into this earth. We know that love is the key to all we must conquer in this life. This was the message left by our ancestors.
I'm here because I realized that my elders and my aunties are getting older, and after them, it's us.
I feel like we have a responsibility to learn these things.
Growing up in a Samoan family and a Samoan church, we were forced into doing fails at Pa'alavilades, and I never understood why we had to do it, and we were never really taught in a nice way either. So I thought this would be a really good way to learn it and to share it with the rest of the generation and my children as well.
I've been watching this on Facebook, and I was trying to convince my family, my brother and my sister to let's do this because they're coming to Hawaii. I was actually thinking, let's fly to Seattle, closer than New Zealand, right?
Yeah.
So it didn't happen. But when they came to Hawaii, I was very happy.
We're hosted by some beautiful people who have just given out of love. They don't know us. They don't know us. And yet they've let these three men, big Samoan men, into their homes. They've fed them, they've clothed them, So, you know, God's hand of generosity has never been short on this trip, and we just want to thank everyone who's been part of this journey up until this moment.
Talo Malole, my name is Fabi Falata. I'm 22 years old, born and raised in the island of Hawaii. Now I live on the island of Oahu. Graduated, and now I live in LA. It's nearest to Long Beach, small little town called San Pedro.
I just want to give it up to, what's your name? Taylor. She doesn't have to come and do this course. And you've flown from the mainland, haven't you? And she's got no Samoan blood in her. Who does that? Hey. So I just want to acknowledge you and thank you for coming and learning about our culture.
So my name is Taylor Inez Duncan, and I've been going to Oahu for the past few years, and I'm actually from Los Angeles, California.
I prayed to God that we would have some type of connection with this class. I didn't know it was going to be this close, but my auntie actually, she got the email stating that you guys didn't have a place to stay, and then she mentioned it to my mom because she knows that she had a big house. My mom's all about helping people. She loves to help out her Samoan community, and especially because this is a very educational program, she was down to help. Very excited.
I was really nervous, being the fact that I'm not even of Samoan descent, and I was really nervous saying, oh, she's not even Samoan, what is she doing here? But when he had us introduce ourselves to a bunch of other people, I just felt really welcomed, by other people I haven't even known, and I immediately started feeling a lot more comfortable with the class.
I want to excuse myself and allow me to speak to you. Okay, so you're coming from the lower position, and you're showing respect by speaking to them in that manner and showing them that you have respect for their status as your parents and the guests.
Cool. Everyone understand?
One of the clips that was showing the 15-year-old boy just watching how hard they used to work back in Samoa. Not used to, but still do. And I was just picturing my grandparents. I just, substituted their face, and tears just start to come down my face because I'm just so blessed to be a Polynesian, and that's why I think it's so important to educate ourselves about the Samoa way and other things as well, the language. Everything ties in at the end.
They'll say, yeah, manguiales, and when you go home tonight, your parents will say, yeah, malo lava. And you need to say to them, malo whaitapawai, because they're thinking of you. They're thinking of you every day. You might not know it, but they're actually thinking of you. They're praying for you.
You've got the corned beef and the biscuits. You also got a small yakonga. Not only that, you've got boxes of corned beef to get over $1,000, and then you have this beautiful fine mats to take away with you.
So that's why we're here, believing in faith that if one life can be changed through this course, then we believe that we've done our mission. And our mission is to have everyone fall in love again with our culture, the things that our parents fought for, what they stood for, your grandparents, your great-grandparents. And each and every Samoan comes from a legacy of great people.
But the goal is to share and continue to pay it forward to the generation above us and the generation beneath us.